Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you were trying to make a tornado, right? But have you ever tried to using tornado tubes? Do you know you can make your own tornado tube? Yeah, just 2 cats and 2 bottles and hot glue gun. You're going to drill a hole through these caps, okay? Hole cannot be too small or too big. Otherwise, if it's too small, then there cannot be enough water flow through it. Or if it's too big, they can just go through it too fast. Put the 2 caps together using hot glue. Remember, head by head. Done! Now you created your own tornado tube. Remember, if you don't have hot glue, you can also use super glue. But remember, not normal glue, because normal glue is weaker than hot glue or super glue. There. Now, we just need attach to the bottles. Remember, 1 bottle of water and the other bottle no water, okay? Create this twirling tube in there. Just going to create that column by twisting it. Cool. Created your own tornado tube. Now we just need to flip it upside down and now swirl it. You created, see? Let's try again.